choppers everywhere. That shit that's so crazy. I can go like anywhere. Full of choppers everywhere. We got pound bags everywhere. Come and go, no bus fare. And I just talk like, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Know they told your guardians they don't wanna get his sparking. They go got him parking. Oh, LA back on them bricks again. They say that boy been having pounds.
Oh yeah. Look at that, baby. What is happening, everybody? Welcome back to another video. As you guys saw in the last video, we were getting the drift prep ready to drift to the Freedom Factory on June 5th. So today it's a little bit continuation, but now we're going to be doing some testing, make sure the vet's good, and we're going to get this day started. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you pause the video, click the like button, click the subscribe button. It helps your boy out a ton, and it takes you 5 seconds, and most importantly, it's free. So we're going to hop into it. We're stopping at Walmart real quick. This boy's trying to be a hot boy and air out. I'm gonna get some stuff to clean this thing up, and then we're gonna head back to my house. I gotta change the oil in this thing, get it right, and then we're gonna go do some testing. The Hydra seems to be locking a lot better now that I bought the hawk pad, so we're gonna hope that's still the case. But we're gonna go ahead and get everything taken care of here, and head out and get some drifting done. But oh, look, you got phone them over there, 370 in the distance, baby. What's happening? GTR gang, baby. Anyway, we got the Vette raised up. It actually looks a lot better raised. Looks like a proper drift car instead of slamming on the ground. It shouldn't look bad, but it's gonna be working a lot better at the Freedom Factory bank. Look at that skyline, baby. Let that RB sing, baby. You gotta raise this up. Try to hit this guy a little bit. Try to hit him. We pull up to Red Robin to get some food, and this is something you don't see every day. Wow, I am wet. I am wet. Dude, I don't think I've ever even seen one of these in real life.
No, I never.
Bro, I got chills. Looks so good.
Yeah. Pretty much factory, except I put a smaller pulley on the supercharger.
Yeah.
And built my own exhaust for it, so it's got a factory muffler.
I just went flying by
about
on the road
75
here.
pounds.
Like,
Do you live around here?
Not too far.
Man, it's so clean.
It's my baby.
Yeah, it's awesome, man. Oh, dude.
Oh yeah. It sounds so good.
I hope he rips it. Yeah. Boy needs that, brother. Have a good one, man.
Thanks.
Nice shirt, brother. Nice shirt, brother. Give me some of that.
Oh, what about my shirt, dude?
Yeah, dude, sick.
Dude,
you know what?
don't forget about me.
Fuck that shirt. Come on, brother. Hit it, brother.
Oh yes, dude. This is nasty, dude.
Bro, I need that. Yeah, you thought. All right, guys, we at the spot. We're gonna have Thomas hop in. We're gonna do a little bit of filming from the inside, and then Harry's gonna get some outside footage. Let's hope everything's working well. I don't know if I think I did mention it in the last video. I had a bolt that's holding my angle kit and control arm together back out, and it snapped. So that would have been really bad if I'd have kept drifting on that, because that would have completely screwed up the whole front end of the car. So official got a new bolt in it. We're gonna hope it works, but we'll get to doing some testing here.
fucking pussy.
Let that go, brother. Yes, sir. All right, she's working.
Sheesh.
We're good. All right, so first test round felt really good. It's doing this stupid misfire thing again. Did your hat go in the back?
It's right here.
There. It's misfiring when I'm on throttle at certain times. I still got plugs I can put in. I'm thinking I'm probably gonna do that tonight. I think what's happening is because the other day I was driving and it was misfiring really bad just while driving normal. My plug wire was touching the header and it burnt a hole in it. So I think maybe when I'm sliding, it's shifting it a little bit and causing it to tap, which is what's making it misfire. So
Need some solid motor mounts up in this joint.
I got four other plug wire just for backup in case, but that should do it for testing. The e-brake seems to be working really well. Those hawk pads did wonders. I wasn't expecting that to work that well. The brakes felt good. I left foot braked it a little bit in the last corner. We're good, baby. Freedom Factory, here we come. So I'm gonna do everything else I gotta do. I'm gonna change the oil, probably check out the plug wires, and get a couple other things tidied up, get her cleaned up, and then we'll load her on the trailer and be on our way down to Florida, baby. Do a burnout. Ooh, that sound good, smell good, and look good, brother. All right, everybody, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Next time you'll be seeing from me, we'll be on the way down to the Freedom Factory. So stoked about this. It's gonna be a great opportunity. Gonna be able to drive with a bunch of cool people I've met online a while ago. So it's gonna be awesome. But the Vette's feeling great. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tons of stuff coming. Tons of Freedom Factory ripping. And we'll see you guys in the next video.